Hello, my spiritual friends. Today, I want to share a message with you from my spirit guides on how to manifest abundance in your life. So, this is what they told me to share with you. They said, you are already a magical manifester of any abundance that is in alignment with your vibrational resonance. To bring in something new to your life, you need to create your desire in the realm of creation. Feel it with your connection to the cosmic heart and follow through with proactive steps as you know your desire is arriving. Bring resonance to your thoughts, feelings, actions, and reactions that are a vibrational match to your desire. This is how to manifest in your third dimensional plane of existence. Okay, so that is your message for today. I hope it's helpful. My spirit guides are always talking to me, and I've managed to write down everything that comes to me. I use a process called automatic writing to bring in the messages. So I hope this is helpful for you in your manifesting. And as always, I wish you infinite abundance. Please follow and like my channel if you want to get more abundance tips, or if you want to get more tips on spirituality and channeled messages. That's what I do. And also I have some free abundance training. If you're interested, just click on the link in my bio. So until next time, have a beautiful day.